is an amazing ingredient that supports your overall immune system. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant effects, and improves your brain functions. And lemon is a fresh fruit that improves your immune system and prevents you from falling sick. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Simple Healthy Living channel, where your health is your wealth. Don't forget to ring the bell if you want more tips for healthy living. Today we will be making a delicious, healthy, fruity snack and green juice that will go perfectly with your early morning breakfast or mid-noon snack. To start, you'll want to wash 1/2 bunch of cilantro, which is a good source of vitamins A and K as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Next, you'll want to wash 1 medium ginger root, which can help soothe an upset stomach, reduce indigestion, gas, and bloating, and improve overall digestion. Some studies suggest that turmeric may help improve brain function, memory, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Now we can go ahead and peel and set aside 1 giant piece of garlic clove. We can now get our best lemon from the fridge and wash it using baking soda. Washing with baking soda may be a better alternative than using regular soap because baking soda removes wax and chemical residue on the outermost part of lemons and other fruit used for preservation and selling in the stores. Papaya is very healthy for you because it contains several nutrients and compounds, including fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Now that all of our produce is washed and ready, we can grab our grater and begin to zest the lemon. Lemon zest may improve skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants found in lemon zest help skin health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Set your lemon zest aside and chop your lemon in half. Once you've cut the lemon, you'll want to squeeze it using your favorite method. Make sure to get as much as you can and then set it aside for later. Now, we'll go ahead and chop that ginger from before. Try cutting it into small discs like you see here. That will make it easier to blend. Now that the ginger is ready, we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing with the turmeric from before. Cut it into small discs that will be perfect for putting into the blender. Once that's in the blender, now we can move on to the garlic. Make sure you chop the garlic finely so that we can release all of the nutrients and goodness inside of the garlic. Not last, but not least, you'll want to go ahead and add your cilantro into the blender. This is the part where that lemon juice comes in. To balance out the tanginess of the lemon though, you'll want to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which has antibacterial properties and can help prevent infections and promote healing. Lastly, you'll want to add 1 cup of distilled water before you go ahead and blend that baby. Everything is assembled, and that means it's time to mix the magic. Once all of the ingredients are incorporated and your juice is starting to look that beautiful green, grab your strainer and pour the juice through it to collect all of the solids. This will leave a rich and smooth juice to add that extra special touch to your morning. And we're almost finished. Grab the papaya from earlier and cut it straight down the middle. Papaya is very healthy for you because it contains several nutrients and compounds, including fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. To prepare the papaya, you'll want to use a spoon to remove the seeds and a knife to remove the peel. You can choose if you want to cut them up into smaller pieces or if you want to eat it just as so. Please remember, some people may be allergic to these ingredients, or the properties in the ingredients, which may interact with certain medications. So it's important to check with a healthcare professional before adding them to your diet. And there you have it. Go ahead, sit back and relax and enjoy that delicious, healthy, whole body protecting breakfast. If you made this breakfast, let us know in the comments below what you thought and what changes you might have made. If you liked this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and give us a comment below and let us know what you liked most about this video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.